Welcome back. It's Roman from Kid Pro Fitness. Today is the 7th cycle of the muscle group exercises that we are doing. In today's video, we'll be focusing on chest. In addition to your back and shoulder muscles, your pecs stabilize the shoulder joint. A strong chest helps improve posture and support deeper breathing. That's because the pecs are attached to your ribs, which expand with every breath. There are 3 rounds. Each round has a 30-second break in between. One round consists of 5 exercises: push-ups, chest expansions, chest squeezes, pike push-ups, and shoulder taps. Let's go. Round 1. There are a couple new exercises that we're going to be doing, so once I get to them, I'll be explaining how to do them. First exercise, push-ups. 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, for chest expansions, it might not look or feel like you're doing anything, but you're actually doing 2 things. When you bring this arm, you're stretching. When you bring this arm around, you're squeezing. So it'll look like this. Stretch and squeeze. Stretch and squeeze. When you do this exercise, you don't want to go like this and twist your body and flop your arms, because that's not correct. You're going to face your chest to a wall. When you bring your arms, you're going to want to squeeze for a second. Alright, let's start. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chest squeeze, you're going to put your hand together, right in front of your chest. You squeeze them together, and then take the pressure off. So this is how they look. Squeeze, and then stop. And squeeze, and then stop. Alright, we're going to be doing 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next exercise is a pike push-up. When you do a pike push-up, you're going to want to make a square, which is basically lifting your butt in the air. And when you go down, you're going to want to touch your forehead to the ground. This is how it looks. 1. We're going to be doing 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For shoulder taps, you're just going to go in a push-up position, and when you you're going to lift your hand up and touch your shoulder. Alright, so we're going to be doing 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright guys, that was round 1. Make sure to get some water. 2. This round's gonna be quicker. There's no explanations. Just gonna do the exercises. Alright, push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chest expansions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, chest squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, Pike Push Ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, shoulder taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright guys, that was round 2. Make sure to go get some more. Round 3. This round you go all out. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chest expansions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chest squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, for pike push-up, if you're more advanced, you want to bring your legs as close as you can to your arms and have your butt higher in the air. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, shoulder taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright guys, good job. Now it's round 3. Make sure to go get some water. Fantastic job. Your chest is one of those areas you want to consistently focus on because your chest muscles are pretty much active in all of our everyday movements. If you have sore muscles, that means you did the exercise correctly. And to get rid of your sore muscles, just do 1 round of these exercises. Thank you for watching, and remember, I always appreciate a like, share, and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.